Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be installing the new NDZ Performance Gen 6 rear plate. So, anytime you're working on a firearm, you always want to make sure the firearm is clear. Chamber's empty, my firearm's ready to be worked on. Next thing you want to do is you want to locate the takedown lever on the sides of the frame here. You want to pull that slide back, grab it a little bit of C shape there, push down on that takedown lever, let that slide come forward, pull the trigger, and the slide is going to come right off. Put your frame down to the side so you can work on your slide. Now, what you want to do is grab yourself a Glock tool. You want to locate that firing pin spacer sleeve there. You want to give that a little push down. Then you want to take your thumb, push up on that rear plate. You want to keep your thumb over the hole because when you let go of this firing pin spacer sleeve, it's going to come shooting up and you don't want to lose it. So, next thing you want to do is you want to grab your NDZ Performance rear plate. As you can see there, what you want to do is you want to line it up with the rails on the slide here. So you want to decompress that firing pin sleeve. You want to start that rear plate, and what you want to do is just kind of give that a little push forward. Once you hear that click, you know it's nice and locked in place. It's not going to move. If you don't hear that click, particularly on these Gen 6 models, sometimes what you have to do is you have to push on this spacer. You have to push on this safety plunger here, and what that actually allows this firing pin to release, and it's going to be locked in place. So that spacer sleeve is going to be pushed back against that rear plate, and you won't have any kind of wiggle. So, if you have any questions on this install, feel free to reach out to me. If not, catch you guys on the next one.